In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the WhatsApp Web Beta in just 5 minutes. Firstly, let me walk you through what WhatsApp Web Beta is. Essentially, it's a testing ground for new features on WhatsApp Web before they're rolled out to the general public. Joining the beta version allows you to be one of the first to explore and utilize these new functionalities. It's an exciting opportunity for anyone who spends a lot of time on WhatsApp Web and loves to stay ahead with the latest tech updates. Now let's dive into the steps to get you started with WhatsApp Web Beta. First and foremost, you'll need to navigate to WhatsApp Web. You can do this easily by typing web.whatsapp.com into your browser's address bar. Upon visiting the site, you'll be greeted with the familiar QR code that you typically scan with your phone to access WhatsApp Web. However, for now, let's focus on the next steps without scanning the code. Once you're on the WhatsApp web page, look for the settings option. Usually you can find this by clicking on the three dots or a similar symbol located at the top or side of the screen, depending on your device. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with several options. In that drop-down menu, you're going to want to click on Help. This option is usually towards the bottom of the list. The Help section is where you can find support and information about WhatsApp Web, including its beta program. After selecting Help, you'll see an option that says Join the Beta. This is your gateway to becoming a beta tester. Click on Join the Beta to proceed to the next step. Please be mindful that this option only appears if WhatsApp is actively looking for beta testers. If you don't see it, you might want to check back periodically. Now you're almost there. After clicking to join the beta, a confirmation box will appear. This is essentially WhatsApp asking you to confirm your interest in joining the beta program. It might detail what joining the beta entails, including potential bugs, as it's a test version of the software. It's important to read through this information so you understand what being a beta tester means. Once you're comfortable, check the confirmation box to agree to the terms. This signifies that you're willing to be a part of the beta program and test out new features before they become widely available. And just like that, you're in. By following these steps, you have successfully joined the WhatsApp Web Beta. As a beta user, you'll now have access to the latest features that WhatsApp is testing. Remember, since these features are still in the testing phase, you might encounter some bugs or glitches. It's all part of the process to refine the app, and your feedback will be valuable. A couple of tips to enhance your experience as a beta tester. Regularly update your WhatsApp desktop client or browser page to receive the latest beta updates and features. Keep an eye out for any changes or new functionalities within WhatsApp Web. If you encounter any issues, make sure to report them. This feedback is crucial for developers to make improvements. Lastly, enjoy the ride. Being a beta tester can be an exciting and rewarding experience. You get to play a crucial part in the development process of one of the world's most popular messaging platforms. Remember, you can always opt out of the beta program if you find it's not for you. Simply revisit the Help section in Settings, and you should find an option to leave the beta program. That's it for today's tutorial on joining the WhatsApp Web Beta. Whether you're doing this out of curiosity, for the love of technology, or to stay ahead with the latest features, I hope you find the process smooth and the experience rewarding. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.